Hey guys, we received this expandable console table with outlet for testing try. So let's just assemble this product. So this is a really heavy product and it looks like a really good built or the heavy quality wood and a nice table as well. So let me just unbox it first. So this is a sofa table with the charging station or the foldable entry table, hallway table or the couch table behind the sofa for living room. This is a rustic brown color. So this is the outlet. So let me just put out all the things first. So everything is numbered as you can see, and in the instruction the assembly process will be provided. So this can hold up to 150 lbs when they are folded, or the opened is up to 100 lbs. And you can see the quality of the wood. It's a thick and heavy wood, so that's why I said like this box is really heavy. So the total length of after unfolding is 23.03 inches in width and then 38.03 inches in length. And while folding, this is the same like the half of that, and then is around like 11.8 inches. So the total height is around 35.23 inches. So see like all these heavy blocks. So this is the whole content of this box and the instruction manual. So all the parts provided, everything is all numbered, the steps are given, these are the screw and the other things or the accessories, that's also numbered. So all these parts also look fine and they're numbered. So let me just start assembling. So here you can see that all the part numbers are provided, the instructions are very clear. Then I will start the assembling with these numbers and things. So I'm not showing the whole assembly because it will take a lot of time, but I'm just showing the main steps after the assembly how this will looks like. So all the side and the top part will is assembled and the side ones are here. So then I'm putting in this table and the stuff all together. So this is the main things and this is the whole assembled product. So you can see this looks really nice and decent as an entryway table. This is the unfolded thing, and then you can easily unfold it. So this is the whole length and the size. So this also have this 6.5 foot outlet where like 10 watt and 5 volt you can easily charge your mobile and all other things. So there is a USB-C and two USB and two outlets in here. So you can charge your mobile, you can write on it, you can just put in the stuff. It's the folded one here. So very nice console table and nice quality, and also like the good size as well. And this the plug is also then here with that curved thing, so it is easy to use. So overall my impression is good for this console table. It's a very nice table, very nice quality, heavy and heavy duty one.